Another Match Attax 22-23 pack opening. Ooh, okay, we have a Black Edge edition. There's the code card. Let's flip these over that way. Alex Moreno, Julian Timber, Milan Skriniar, Joe Hart, Geronimo Rulli, Leonardo Spinazzola, Kevin Volland, Alex Grimaldo, and then we have Star Leroy Sané, nice. Then match winner Aubameyang. We've just had this in the last pack. Immobile, man of the match signature style, and we have João Felix and Need. Good. Lovely stuff. There's all the stats. These cards are so nice. In fact, I'll take it out a second. Right, see you in the next